Hey, what's going on, guys? Digital Millionaire here. Just a very quick video for you today, okay? Just got something special to show you, okay? So I've actually partnered up with Bluehost, and they've actually given me access to be able to give you the cheapest price possible on your Bluehost web hosting, all right? So if you've been looking for some web hosting, if you've been thinking about starting your own online business or website or blog or anything like that, now is the perfect time because I've got you covered, guys, all right? I've been in contact with Bluehost for a while, and they have given me the special price of only $2.95 per month. All right, that is the absolute cheapest price you are going to find anywhere at all. All right, so you can see my previous videos and most other videos online as well. The usual price is $3.95. Okay, $7.99. That's after your first term. The first term is always $3.95 per month. Okay, but like I said, I've actually been in contact with them, and I've got you this special price of $2.95 per month. So if you go to the description of this video, okay, or any of my other ones now, okay, it used to show this price, yeah, $3.95 per month. But if you go to the description of any one of my videos, this is mine right here, how to make a WordPress website. By the way, if you need to learn how to make a website, go check out that video. I'll show you exactly how to do it in about 20 minutes. Okay, you'll have a website completely made from scratch in 20 minutes, following the steps that I go over in this video. Okay, it's really easy to follow. It's a step-by-step guide. I'll have that linked in the description down below as well if you want to check that out. All right, so yeah, just click the link in the description and you'll see straight away, guys, it's not like I didn't change or anything. Look, $2.95 per month. If you just go to bluehost.com without clicking that link, it's going to say $3.95 per month. So this is the absolute cheapest you are going to find anywhere. All right, so lots of good reasons to actually start a website and use Bluehost as your web host. There's so many good reasons, guys. Okay, the number one main reason I use it is because it's so beginner friendly. Okay, I'm not a beginner, but it's just so easy to use. It's very user friendly. And if you're looking to start a website on WordPress, which most of you probably are, because WordPress is just, you know, the go-to place to make a website, then Bluehost got you covered there. They make it so easy. Okay, it's literally one click of a button. Okay, you choose your domain and stuff like that. They give you a free domain as well, by the way. Okay, your domain, your URL, like google.com, youtube.com, that's going to be completely free for you for your first year. All right, they give you that for free. You can see right here, free domain for first year, free SSL certificate included, one-click WordPress install. That's what I'm saying, guys. You choose your domain, you purchase it, and then boom, one click of your mouse and WordPress is installed. Okay, I go over all of that in this video right here. Okay, so if you, like I said, if you are looking to make a website and you don't know how to do it, make sure to go to the description and check this video. All right, I'll link it down there. Okay, but be sure to click the link in the description of this video right here, Bluehost, because like I said, you will get that at $2.95 per month price right there. Okay. Another reason that I love using Bluehost is their 24/7 support. Out of all the web hosts that I have used, okay, and I've used a lot. I've used SiteGround, I've used them all, guys. Okay, HostGator, all of them. Bluehost is honestly my favorite one. Loads of reasons. The one-click WordPress install, super easy. It's all really beginner friendly to use. 24/7 support, it is top class, guys. I've never had a problem with this support. If I have any problems whatsoever, if I don't know how to do something, okay, because I'm no master, you know, website building, I'm not an absolute master. Sometimes I need some help. Sometimes something's broken, I don't know how to fix it. I just contact them and they get back to me within minutes, literally minutes, guys, all right? The support is great. So again, if you're a beginner, they've got you covered there because the support is there to help you, and yeah, you'll be good to go. They've also got a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you make your website and you choose Bluehost as your web host, and then you decide, oh, okay, actually, I haven't got time for my website or something like that, don't worry. They have got a 30-day money-back guarantee, all right? So don't worry about that. Okay, guys, so that is pretty much it for this video. Just a really quick one. Check it out. Okay, like I said, if you want to make a website and you don't know how, check out this video. Link will be in the description down below. And click the link to Bluehost there to get that cheap $2.95 per month.